A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is wisdom, the light that guides civilization. Ladies and gentlemen, throughout history, wisdom has been revered as the foundation of enlightened thought and sound judgment. It is not merely the accumulation of knowledge, but the ability to apply understanding with discernment and purpose. Wisdom serves as the guiding force that enables societies to navigate complexities, seek justice and uphold truth. Without it, progress is reduced to fleeting advancements, vulnerable to misjudgment and short-sightedness. True wisdom teaches the value of patience over impulse, reflection over reaction, and long-term vision over momentary gain. In a world that increasingly values speed over substance, the role of wisdom has never been more crucial. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, "One who has wisdom and discernment is always calm and collected. Such a person is in true knowledge." Wisdom is the capacity to perceive beyond surface realities and extract clarity from uncertainty. Unlike raw intelligence, which processes data, wisdom transforms knowledge into understanding and foresight. It empowers individuals and civilizations to recognize patterns, anticipate consequences, and make decisions that align with ethical and sustainable principles. The great thinkers of history, from Confucius to Socrates to contemporary visionaries, have emphasized that wisdom is not confined to intellect alone, but is rooted in critical thinking, humility, and a willingness to learn. As the Bhagavad Gita reminds, when a man surrenders all desires in his mind and is satisfied in the self alone, he is called a man of steady wisdom. History is replete with examples of societies that thrived due to wisdom and those that crumbled due to its absence. The rise and fall of empires have often been determined not by technological prowess, but by the quality of leadership and governance driven by wisdom. It fosters diplomacy over conflict, innovation over stagnation, and ethical governance over self-interest. Decisions made with wisdom account for the long-term impact, ensuring that progress does not come at the cost of moral and social degradation. At an individual level, wisdom enables discernment in the face of deception and resilience in the face of adversity. It teaches the importance of listening before speaking, questioning before accepting, and understanding before judging. It is through wisdom that knowledge finds direction, experience gains depth, and learning transforms into enlightenment. As the Gita advises, a person who is not attached to external sense pleasure, who is self-sufficient and focused on the self, finds true wisdom. What's the way forward? Socrates, the ancient Greek philosopher, once said, "The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing." This quote may seem paradoxical at first, but upon deeper reflection, it reveals a profound truth about the nature of knowledge and wisdom. The path to cultivating wisdom lies in nurturing critical thinking, fostering open dialogue, and embracing lifelong learning. Educational systems must prioritize not only information but also the ability to analyze, reflect, and apply knowledge ethically. Leaders, policymakers, and institutions must recognize the importance of wisdom in decision making, ensuring that policies are guided not by immediate political gain but by sustainable long-term benefits. As the Bhagavad Gita states, "He who is steadfast in yoga, who has subdued the mind and senses, sees the self in all beings and all beings in the self." In an era of rapid technological advancement, wisdom must serve as the ethical compass that ensures innovation aligns with humanity's greater good. Furthermore, wisdom flourishes in environments that value diverse perspectives and collective reasoning. By fostering a culture that encourages thoughtful discourse and intellectual humility, society can ensure that wisdom remains at the core of progress. The ability to pause, reflect, and consider the broader implications of actions must be embedded in personal choices, governance, and global cooperation. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, wisdom is the silent force that turns knowledge into insight and action into purpose. It is the bridge between past lessons and future aspirations, ensuring that progress is guided by clarity rather than impulse. As the Bhagavad Gita profoundly states, one who sees inaction in action and action in inaction is intelligent among men. This ability to act with discernment ensures that humanity aligns ambition with integrity, balancing progress with ethical responsibility. As the world faces increasing complexities, from geopolitical tensions to technological revolutions, wisdom remains the most valuable asset in shaping a sustainable and just future. It is through wisdom that civilization finds direction, individuals find meaning, and societies find balance. Without it, the greatest achievements risk becoming hollow victories. With it, humanity can ensure that progress serves not only the present but also the generations to come. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.